Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2 Clash of Clans accounts on one phone. Many players enjoy managing multiple villages, and it is entirely possible with a simple setup. The key is to link each Clash of Clans village to a distinct Google Play Games account on Android or a separate Apple ID on iOS. This allows you to easily switch between your 2 different villages whenever you wish, right from within the game's settings. Before adding a second village, it is crucial to secure your existing one. Open Clash of Clans and navigate to the in-game settings. Make sure your current village is connected to your primary Google Play Games account or Apple ID. This connection saves your game progress to the cloud, ensuring it is safe and accessible. Confirm that the connection status shows as connected before proceeding to the next step. Now, to add your second village, go back to the in-game settings. Disconnect from your first Google Play Games account or Apple ID. Then, tap to connect again, but this time, select or sign in with a completely different Google Play Games account or Apple ID. The game will prompt you to load the village associated with this new login. Confirm this action to bring up your second Clash of Clans village. Switching between your 2 Clash of Clans villages is very straightforward. Simply open the game settings, disconnect from your currently active Google Play Games account or Apple ID, and then reconnect using the other account. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you wish to load the other village. Confirm this, and your second village will load instantly. You can repeat this process as often as you like, managing both villages with ease.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.